a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe we need your help. Please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? We deal with it together.
Party's over! Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Come on, everybody out. This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of...
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Oh, man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. When Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get crushed!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Out, come to the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day! That's their company! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Go in the car!
Way to go, Letty. Don't run another missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Roman, don't shoot. Head from the grid. Under protection. Everybody hold on. Get the nitrous. Ride or die.
Where'd you people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you've got a problem, we deal with it together.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!